This is Hotelease.ng QR code, QR code ordering platform. So as you can see, we have about 54 QR codes that have been generated for Mazi Grand Hotel. So in this hotel, each of the QR code is placed in each room and on a table for each of the restaurants and bar. So once you scan the QR code, you see the menu displays. As you can see, these are the drinks. You can have different categories: drink, food, kitchen, whatever. And once you can see this person have taken an order, so you see the order. You can also search for items. You see it, then you can now view the order. Now submit the order. So once the order has been submitted, it automatically sends WhatsApp notification and it updates on the restaurant system. As you can see, this is an order from room 101, self-order. So from room 101. So the waiter can now print the captain order. You can have this captain order printed out from the kitchen directly if you have a kitchen printer. So, and if you don't have a kitchen printer, you print it and take the order to the kitchen. So as you can see, this is the order. The captain order has been printed. So this is sample of the captain order. Then from there, you print the bill. You print the bill out. So once the bill is being printed out, you put it with what the customers have, or the customer have ordered for. As you can see, this is the bill. Okay, so now you're not going to serve the guest and collect your money.